Let's say, Mental
I'm doing very, very well.
One Casano.
Senior,
Ubia no say. Now when I time.
But
no, wouldn't time. What time I do? 5 minutes.
No problem. Any mammy can say.
Me say over 5 minutes. Take it to 11.
Mom, permission because my mouth cram down.
Minute, 5 minutes. Ben can't say my time. It's my 5 minutes.
Me so
word I don't pay the another.
Me too.
Oh, my Canadian.
I need a cake.
Ah, so who now the another?
Me she can't even cast.
What violence to do?
Any violence? Cast as well as violence. Senior, talk.
Upa me person spell, but I don't person obey you who I use any day.
Upa will spare me. Senior man, me started to me Fizano and you be there bomb it twice and become 8,000. Who spare me? Me ya my share. Oh dear. Who can say me come as this year to me can on your mouth.
State of mind in here.
And it was spare me.
Mamma 2 minutes.
Oh, you 2 minutes.
I just said someone became then.
Mami nya ko fi
yeah
did you go idea obi ajuri me bomb pada juri boot ni ya say
Jesus
yak na
kafra
oh my family went down into no it could have been worse
kafra
I'm being fine
Chelsea as akulu so account
oh na see e kono obi enu one of say Chelsea be she right mami ka say me sir highway authority and as a municipal assembly no omo in charge of tracks now. It's SAC council, which we should look at it. We lose lives because of that. Yeah, because one thing that we could see, you do on a track be assay, so we have to slow down. Hey, mini Eugene, we slow down kakrana within a space of about 1 minute. Pa, na nipa no Hilux. Bam.
Wow.
Honestly, me at the crowd a moving mensano to the outer of the road, and yes, I can because share track.
Wow.
I don't know what I mean. Yes, was say me. Else that it could have been a different story.
Kafra.
Me see for rich. Ipa ne mama ka krampa ko e card o sisi na okra me hwe wo mi ni kapre. Ah, or the da for Mr. Eugene soon ade. So you can just imagine.
Okay.
Na Mr. highway for ne ade na hwe say anyi ban me dey and then me penya ma wan say me o the body am metwa ma o ka se mi nya okra me ko.
Enyim 2 minutes. We are no be ma here. Wait me I can't say me ma. Ya be too radio ni. State of mind yeah.
Enye. Say Sunday come about home. But my friend must have been so far.
Okay.
Ne say ya be fa. Ya ko weekend number. Now see Arsenal have answered the critics again. The big worry was that Arsenal beating a 2 London derbies now. After capitulating against Wolves, beating against Chelsea and Tottenham Hotspur. For me, I felt that the 2 London derbies were going to be too much of a banana skin for them. A Comenia draw back and win one. But yesterday they answered right very, very well inside game. No? If you look at the points cap in the last few games, in terms of form, Arsenal dropped points against Brentford, dropped points against Wolves, won against Tottenham Hotspur, and beat Chelsea, and now at the Emirates and then got a job. But before that, Manchester City go away to the Elland Road. In a game, na me no kasa na so Kofi be straight for them say reach nya to wa se kakra. The Elland Road can be a little bit tricky. City for no share there, but it was a very, very tough game for them. In fact, I think say na a night Dominic Calvert-Lewin did not get the better of himself. Else, it probably should have been a different story. Maybe it should have been 1-1. It was a match. Which I don't think anybody can discount the importance of Antoine Semenyo since he joined Manchester City. Why?
He's the Haladan Shah is there.
Important player.
Solve whatever problem.
And the last time I catch you say, about at a time, Haaland ain't goals nation number, and they needed somebody to step up. Waba. And or more goals consistently and team them. One thing about Antoine Semenyo and the box presence. But they be America. So all the Antoine Semenyo be Ghana team now because he plays as a center forward now. He doesn't make those late runs. He comes from the wing, come as a second striker, come late, and that's exactly what happened with this ball. Brentford and Antoine Semenyo, and they said they only go for Manchester City and puts them in pole position to challenge Arsenal. Which 3 games for Liam Rossini against Arsenal. We're losing,
Bad.
But
the only antidote be to stop this Arsenal team.
Rich, before him, Mikel Arteta actually the last 6 Chelsea managers have been here. Before that, since 2021, Chelsea had success against Arsenal. We are into almost the 5th year. In fact, at Emirates, when a second goal a share with Emirates, and you can Chelsea play on a share. The only time a Chelsea player actually go with Emirates in the last few years has been Noni Madueke. It's when we play against Arsenal, it's tough. And Nhyira was one of them. Me to say Nagabi Kacho say, they can't go and Chelsea ball. And then yes and an but of course the results did not come. At the end of the day,
nee, you have to say,
yeah,
Arsenal born no more born in your face.
Okay, in your face. But then they got the results. Okay, I think a lot of people have said no, Chelsea for only were good enough, but of course they did not get the results. Of course, at the end of the day, Obiano was good enough. Obiano was good enough. But there are a few things in the game that I think Arsenal did very well. Rich, Arsenal born no more born. Who is no more?
Yeah.
Yesterday they were not. It wasn't the best Arsenal team.
I'm a bomb 3 points.
Yes, even it was similar against Wolves. Even Chelsea at 10 against 11, Chelsea were better than Arsenal. But this is exactly how our teams any do baby are. Fully rounded, not fully matured. They're grand results, and it's a knack of champions. When things are not going on well for them, which now every corner kick, a shirt pulling, shoulder hugging, pushing, grappling, boxing. So when you near you'll be in trouble. Anybody see? Who said Liam Rossinier will match him with Mamadou Sarr as the first game? And I told you that I think Mamadou Sarr to start. I also told you say Jao had to more. I think Jao was good. Mamadou Sarr also a good game away from home. The problem is this. It's and physicality, no. What the English Premier League is known for, no. I feel Mamadou Sarr warming himself into it. Because the first goal, he came off Mamadou Sarr on the edge of the goal line. Then the second one, Onu Sanka or tracking the run of Julian Timber. Julian Timber, or no watching Julian Timber, but Timber was able to jump more aggressively and then head the ball to go. It's not a fault of Mamadou Sarr, but these are some of the things that you get when you are a young player now buying this Premier League game and your first game is against Arsenal. The physicality, combativeness, and it's so huge to the extent that it takes a while before you settle in. In the first half, for me, the game wasn't exciting. Chelsea for to take with Piero and Carpi, and first goal from Arsenal for Brantia and your friend William Saliba over there getting the first goal for Arsenal, getting the equalizer. I think that the part of the game, not Chelsea for a little bit dominant, was when second half started. Then chances began to come. But this is what I've told you several times, that the problem at Chelsea is down to the players, one, and it is part of the process of growing together.
Moody presence anymore.
Hey, Nhyira was one of the best centre forward hold that plays from João Pedro that I've seen.
Hold that play in Njego.
No,
he's good at it. And not there. I
use the word presence. That's why I brought that. But there was presence.
Presence no any there.
Oh, but Arsenal,
presence no shoot.
Arsenal goes so much here. It wasn't presence anymore. Oh, it was centre backs that share.
And then you go.
Oh, but Serie just wouldn't presence anymore.
Wouldn't need presence anymore. Jitum. Then I'll be you obey then obey. When you hold that play, any or didn't come up. No, I control. Obi and when not the born man.
Okay.
Nobody.
Okay.
It's general so I born as I'm born a chill anime for the because born back anymore. Why not born in the man?
It was same for us now. That was the game.
No watch it 2 and who did say same for us now. Sana now you go back and say what's it a Real Madrid do serious. What brand Diana Bignas a Real Madrid serious. And what's I big now say on watch 2-1. Who's it same for us now? Kofi serious would yanko. And then my cast my jatum because of they will go to the G. It's normal. You go anymore. That's your 2 hours you don't say.
Oh, now mommy question make us say.
Okay, with them too.
When you say that Obini presence when him what are you talking about?
Is it true or not?
Oh, Richard, mommy kase bien.
Me too.
And now person make us say, "Did you business that question?"
Me too, pa. Me enjoy on pay.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Mommy kase bi.
Match boss.
When you say that Obini presence when him what do you mean? Are you talking about more difference about a corner kick and as all can And no, I mean, disagree. Man can say Chelsea ball. Man can say Chelsea Arsenal say 2. Arsenal scored 2 from set piece, and it's a good part of the game. But you cannot tell the team or the centre back. You are saying that he did well and say that they don't have a presence up front. For me, the problem for Chelsea was that they played against a tough Arsenal team. How to break them down was difficult. The best way for them was also to score from the set place, like Arsenal. And for me, when you look through the game and how the game did pan out, at the end of the day, it comes down to the growth of the Arsenal team. Or when you're doing, they will snatch the win away from you. It doesn't have to be pretty. It doesn't have to be nice. That is just how good and well Arsenal have grown over the years. Of course, for me, some instance where Uncle Focus say a penalty, I don't want to dwell too much on it because this same instance led to the resulting corner kick and they go nearby. So I don't want to talk about this instance. The Premier League just have to be clear.
Kofi, na so any penalty? Isn't it a penalty?
Oh, me, I don't want to talk about it.
No, minimum some person be counter, but I mean, me have a candid opinion on this. Is it a penalty?
Me have a candid opinion.
Say
the inti born among the sana.
Kofi, say me no name say player be uhria. Uhri now cost round and easy. So in this instant, you find on Sunday the natural position.
This is the natural position.
Yeah.
When
you go green is happening.
Okay, to boss it. So a bonisa and monisa.
Born there, bonisa, but in Sunday the natural position.
Oh, relax. Uhria, this also be ones where Rihanna.
No.
So is that natural also? Oh, bro, no,
me.
As a one is a bro,
oh, Kofi.
I say, bro, but you see,
the contest here is born.
Great.
And let's show you.
Majiwa to what chat and no. By 2 situations. And an instant show
they said, yeah, I walk.
Senior. To bossy. The Toby say, go for no one quine, for phone by the energy. Me say, born in son and money. And I say, born in son. But it's a natural position. Brilliant, I agree with you. But in all of that, the jumping. Also, we mean the and I'm asking that, is that also natural? Well, great, that's all. Because we have a mini problem. Me, Katanga boy, in the banter say, me no want you. Senior. Me no want you crowd. Then they pull out the red card.
Okay.
I've seen a school of thought of people who say that Joao Pedro who first yellow card. And they
are a yellow card.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Timer referee Emma and yellow card. Apparently, no one done in the theatre referee. So when the yellow card was flashed, he didn't see. So share. Odi yellow card, Odi second yellow red card. Oko round echo referee on them. Echo fourth official. Echo back at him. I am the first yellow card. Apparently, he didn't see the yellow card. But my problem is this, Rich. Whether or not he saw it was not the problem. The problem is that senior small time say Arsenal a problem. It is Arsenal's captain and one leader that go to the referee. Chelsea boys no a problem. Everybody goes to the referee and start throwing tantrums. Referee, you have my yellow card. You may not see it, but you have a yellow card. And then the resulting one or on Martinelli there, and a clear as day.
Go double foot.
And a clear as day. And he's off. Rich, I'm coming back to the question I asked you last week. Is this still the problem of Liam Rossinier? Liam Rossinier.
Result no.
Last week now say red card. Nesan could you Wesley Fofana free.
No, wait, you're managing here.
Oh, no, but before we get to the management of the game, now we see red card no, and the fault because Nesan could you Wesley Fofana free. And I was telling you that sometimes you can't control moments like that. But in this case, Nesan could you Pedro to sue free man.
No, because he's a winger. Winger with the yellow card. The probability is on GBM also. But defender there, easy.
Rich, man, who center back said the yellow card first minutes? You play 90 minutes. You can't be too clear in your mind. Nyame say, oh, Rich, it boils down to the players. And what regimes say, and yet only say no one Chelsea player na asem na atono twice now. The 9 players na every red card no, they are all different players. All different. Etu Joao Pedro na dia china ko to Kukureya, na dia china ko to regime, na dia china ko to Enzo Fernandez any Garnacho per the regular starting 11 any in the red card maybe. So for me, I think that's because the team is going through the process of growth. They just don't know how to handle tough moments. It will be a credit yourself to 1. What's the point in complaining? You go and throw tantrums at the referee. Allow the game to flow. Come back and play. If you believe in your craft, so wait in your results now. You will be patient and you get a result. So, Rich, and you're worrying. If you look at the record list,
Then because 9, right?
9 to all season. In the NBA Premier League is 7. Sanchez, Chaloba, Joao Pedro. Pedro was in the Champions League. Gusto, Dilap, Caicedo, Cucurella, Fofana, and Pedro Neto. 9 different players. And then a red card this season for Chelsea. That is a record low in terms of the Englishman. Now, it's only idea who crowd Chelsea team. Say, according to Chelsea stats, say, yeah, but English Premier League, and I say 11 players, 11. The best team our English Premier League is Arsenal. The second best team is Man City and Chelsea. And Liverpool. Say, 11. So, Chelsea have lost 16 points in games that they were 10 man down. So apparently in the English Premier League, when it is 11-11, Chelsea are the second or third best team. But only red card, and they've done that for 7 games in the Premier League. Almost all of those matches, Chelsea drop points. In fact, all of those games, Chelsea drop 8 points. From Brighton to Manchester United to Arsenal to all of them. Chelsea drop 8 points, getting a red card. So it's a real problem. Okay. I say Chelsea for no share. Normal solving out. Liverpool are back into the top 5 by getting an important win now to the team of the season, Manchester United. Rich, Mourinho, I'll say this. I think that United need be anywhere, so you're worried about the kind of football mobile. That's not the most important thing right now. United focus should be about grinding it on and getting top 4 or top 5. Why? Because that will give you, in fact, even without European football, not all good players. I believe strongly say United are reforming Fiifi on them. Kobe Menu and of course Casemiro exiting. It means that United needs better legs or partner in Fiifi. And what you need, one is Champions League qualification in some match. No, Michael Carrick is giving that as an analyst. Me you too much over analysis and analyze why Michael Carrick should have done this, because the game against Crystal Palace they were the better side. They were Crystal Palace look in total control for large parts. United for long parts were not good enough. I think that's the focus now tends to team my friend in Newcastle United over the week, over in midweek when people go away to the tying side. It's not going to be an easy game, but a match more confident say at least draw be there. United be fair for you. Per how things are going, it looks as if United are going to be inside top 5 now and get a Champions League. But there are 9 big games to go. Barca share over the weekend in a very, very straightforward game that we expected them to win. Even in the absence of our brand friend Mark Bernal, they were good. Now, Barca for one say they have 5 reasons why Omojidi strongly. Say Nyame Adoma Ochina, they will turn things around against Atletico Madrid. 5 big reasons why they are very confident that they will turn things around against Atletico Madrid. The likes of Mark Bernal more coming back is a good one for them. And then you may Madrid airborne against Getafe, of course, Mbappe out of the team. Vini is in. We're expecting say Abanti friend even Eduardo Camavinga to be out because of some dental issues. But we expect a football club Real Madrid. I told you that expect Roma versus Uve. Rome. It was a blockbuster of a game, and they 3-3 stalemate for both teams. A very, very good one. Of course, Inter Milan and Etnefi, Jumani come also for themselves. And Napoli, via last minute goal for our brand here, a friend Romelu Lukaku also made it 2-1 after returning from a long layoff injury. Which on Saturday, boys need the 2 separate codes, and there have been good news for them. Now, midweek matches for them. So it means that we have to prepare for the midweek matches now. Until Ian started on a Monday quietly. And yes, he can win over the weekend. No? Let's just put small and then midweek match best starting Tuesday to Wednesday. No? And of course, we gear up towards next week when the Champions League comes in. We can win big. It's rich. My memory with you for code me and Sape.
Okay.
First one, BW 413 DEA 2A. Second one, BW 413 DC 018. And the last one, BW 413 D9DBA. These are the codes I'm going to for. Of course, there are a couple more. Fiifi Manfred, social media handles, Facebook, Twitter, now.
I'm into green. And so
I'm to green now.
I quit to wait me a cup. Why?
You go to a year.
Cha 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 cha. Okay.